Heavy rains over the last few weeks have filled the Hermitage Dam, but its overflow is creating a problem for residents of Bowden Hill in St. Andrew. The overflow last night rendered the alternative route to a collapsed bridge impossible. TVJ's Anthony Lugg explains.
You are maroon! Oh! Everything, the road gone.
Residents of Bowden Hill, St. Andrew, watching what was once the entrance to their community wash away Saturday morning. It's the result of an overflow at the Hermitage Dam. In February, the bridge which links Bowden Hill to communities such as Airy Castle, Falling Edge and Waterfalls collapsed. The authorities set up this one, but now it's gone. A resident of Bowden Hill shared her experience getting home from work last night.
We had to leave our vehicles in Stony Hill and walk on the dangerous bridge, which we were told that we're not supposed to be walking on. That's what everyone had to do. Luckily, 2 taxis were left on the community side. So we had to take taxi from Stony Hill down the bridge, walk across the bridge, and those 2 other taxis that was left on the other side had to take the residents into the community.
When we visited the area on Saturday, things were calmer. Still, residents are on edge. Work on the old bridge has begun, however, complaints that the pace has been slow. But with residents now marooned, this woman who had difficulty getting home is upset that political representatives did not act on her warning that the dam was reaching its capacity.
They just give us a little dirt track to drive on. And every day I've been telling them, the dam's soon full, the dam's soon full. And now the dam is full and running over. Everybody is running around like a headless chicken. Nobody have a clue what to do right now.
I'm asking for the relevant authority to speed up the bridge. That's because that is the original route to go into the community. So this is just a makeshift thing where them just send we through the river, and now see the river come down, nobody can go over nor come out.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.